You guys, this literally happens to me every freaking time. So I went to Target, so I bought a foundation and I bought 2 concealers and I bought Fawn. That was for me. And every single time I bring Fawn into this house, I lose it. I have bought this freaking concealer 3 different times. I have no idea where this concealer goes. Like when I come into the house, I don't know if it has like a certain hiding spot or what, but I cannot find this concealer. I really wanted this concealer. Like this is the 3rd time I bought it. I just don't understand. And I have no idea where it could be. I looked in all the places that I put my makeup. What the fuck? Back to my channel. Today is a Vlogmas day 9, and at this point you guys are gonna get what you get. So right now I'm actually going to be cleaning all these makeup brushes and some more brushes so that way I can get ready to film a video. But honestly you guys, I'm really upset because the freaking concealer's not here. Like I have no idea where the concealer went. And the first 2 times this has happened to me, I was like, you know what, maybe I just didn't get the concealer. Maybe I talked myself out of the concealer at the register. And this time I looked and I dead ass, I paid for that and I cannot find it. Like what the heck? Me and my homegirls are past upset. We ready to fight. Like where's my concealer? That's what today's video is going to be. Me talking to you guys while I wash my brushes. And I just kind of wanted to talk to you guys, just, you know, just some random talk. I have a question for you guys, and this is like high-key random AF, but when you guys are using the bathroom, if you use like bathroom wipes, you know, like to wipe your butt after you go to the bathroom, do you use them before you get in the shower? Like if I'm going to get in the shower right after I'm done using the bathroom, I will not use a bathroom wipe because why would I waste the wipe if I'm about to wash my ass? But is that like dirty or is that normal? Like, do you guys do that? Vlogmas is real. Like you really have to plan out your content. I planned it out, but I didn't plan it out. And you know, I think I'm doing good so far. Like honestly, I'm keeping up, which is like the most I could personally ask for. Do you guys feel yourself getting just like over social media? Like if I wasn't trying to do this YouTube stuff, I honestly would not be on social media as much. Like I just feel like it's so phony, sis. Like there's just too much fakery, if that's a word. It's too much fakery out here. Like it's like when you know people in real life and you see them on the gram and you see how they try to flex, it's just like, who are you trying to fool? And I'm more of a real life interactor anyway. Like social media does not entertain me. Like honestly, the stuff that I look at on social media is like cooking videos and how people do people's hair. You know, it's very interesting. As somebody who's on YouTube and trying to establish a presence on YouTube, I do not watch a lot of YouTubers. Like I do not watch YouTube that much. Like I'm starting to get into it more, but I already have 2 gifts. I'm the type to pick things up and shake them. So I'm gonna be good and I'm not gonna shake them, but I did put our gifts inside of their stockings. So we got some stocking stuffers already in there. One for Jordan, one for me. Friends, Jordan thinks he got a bad haircut, but it looks pretty good to me.
And that's all that matters.
That's all that matters, right?
That's all that matters. So that it looks good to you, because you're the only one that has to see me, and you're the only one that matters anyway.
I love Caesar Weezer. He loves anything you do. Guys, it is Vlogmas day 9, and I honestly have nothing to talk to you guys about today. But I did do something. I don't know if this is gonna be like the right move for me or if this is like not the right move, but I just pretty much applied for a job. Now, I know you guys are probably like, bitch, okay. But the thing is, so I gave myself, you know, pretty much to the end of this year to kind of pretty much make my YouTube happen. With everything that I've asked for, I have received. Everything that I've asked the Lord to show me and reveal to me, I think I have seen and received the signs. Some stuff I still don't know, but I feel like at this point, I am just trying to be really like, you know, responsible with what I'm doing. And with that, I applied for a job. I do not want this to come off as me giving up on my YouTube or I am just trying to go about it responsibly, meaning that financially it costs. What's up? You wanna say hi to the vlog?
Hi to the vlog. I'm in my PJs because I need to wear my PJs all day, even when I'm at work.
They can see you now. I was telling them how I just applied for a job.
You actually applied?
Yeah.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. I applied for a job. I don't know what's gonna happen. Like I said, I just applied for it and I haven't like actively been applying for like hella jobs. This is like the first actual job I've applied for. So we'll see how that goes. But I know that this is where I'm supposed to be talking to you guys. So I just need to financially fund that shit, sis. So I think right now I am going to, like, just the thought of this makes me feel like everything just had to be rushed now. Like, I feel like I gotta pretty much record the rest of Vlogmas like today, so that way I can make sure I don't leave you guys hanging if I just like get a job and, you know, and then I'm like, okay, well, that's it for this. Like, I don't want to do that. I'm not gonna do that though either, because I'm gonna make sure that I do what I need to do for me and for the other job as well. You know, I'm gonna work for them, but I need to make sure that I don't forget sight of what I'm doing and why I'm actually going back to work. Because honestly, I'm not going to work just to go back to work. In order to accelerate and grow and get to the next level, I do financially need to fund that. So this Vlogmas day 9 is really short and simple and sweet. Just a little update from me, and I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. It is not easy doing Vlogmas. Oh my gosh, every day I'm just like, okay, what am I gonna film? What am I gonna post? What's gonna be interesting? And honestly, you guys, if you guys do not watch all the videos, at least just give them a thumbs up. That way I know you're like actually like, okay, keep it going. So hope you guys enjoyed this random little chit chat update real quick. And I will see you guys in Vlogmas day 10. Vlogmas day 10, we got some actual content coming. So hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good night, and I will see you guys tomorrow.